about that. So my computer cord's like literally not charging my computer. So we're gonna see if I switch cords. I hope this one works. It looks like it looks like it's pushing it up. But my computer completely died. I don't know if my battery's going bad or what. But regardless, what is up? What is up, my friends? Let me open up this. Let me open up this. I'll push it out till 2:05 again. Push it out till 2:05. Hopefully you guys are doing fantastic. All right. Boom. Boom. Got way too many things open right now. Let me clear it out. What's up, David Westbury? How you doing, man? Let me find this particular chart. Here we go. Looks like this cord might be charging my computer. Jeez. The power thingy. Thingy-majiggy. All right, let me log in. There we go. Oh, that's an eval. I mean, yeah, that's qualified. All right, so we took out Asian lows, Asian highs. We got London high up here. I mean, which place do you think we're gonna go? Where do you think we're gonna go, guys? I mean, come on. I don't know. We're gonna go. No. I don't know either. I'm not gonna act like I know. I think we're gonna go high. I think we're gonna. I mean, look at all this. Unless it's a trap. It could be a trap. Let's just look. Before I do that, let me continue. Actually, I want to put these out here a little bit. Just real quick. I know that Scotty might be doing it too. But probably helps if both do it. Hoping this cord holds up. If it goes up right now, it might be okay, but yeah, it's going up. We should be good now. What's up, Dion? What's up, Smoke Eater? What's up, Corey? A couple minutes ago, yeah. Does my stream freeze a lot for you guys? Like, do I stream or do I freeze rather? Let me delete some of this stuff. We got buy till you broke, sell till you smoke, or whatever that was. Sell till it smokes, or whatever. I don't know. Command Z. All right, let's look here. So we have a couple situations here. Did it wick out this Asian? Did it wick out that? No, it left a double bottom here. So this is where people get confused and trapped, right? For, respectfully, that's the case. What we really need to see is just a break on the hourly. Okay, don't freeze. Okay. Mark, what's up, man? Beautiful, thank you. So I really need to see that break. We had no breaks on the 5 minute yet. If I could see this break right here, this would not only break a 5, but it'd break the hour high. I think that was a high. Yeah, see how that wick didn't go higher than here? So we get price to break this, we wait for pullback, and then we enter, right? You really don't want to buy into a buy block. This is the only time I won't follow that rule. I'll actually grab this one. Right? I'll just grab this right here. Make sure to pin them and notify all members if you share it. Scotty. It pins and notifies. We're just waiting to see this breaks right here, guys. How's everybody's night? No, I didn't get in. There's nothing to get in at yet. Nothing to get in. We are building some liquidity to the downside, so let's just mark this up on the hourly. This came down to this hour block here and did not break it. I don't think. Hold on, let me get rid of that. No. Didn't break that low. This 1 hour block held. In fact, if we were there at that moment, if you were trading, because I don't want to just I want you to be able to do this on your own too, right? So that's the obvious reason I do this. I want to help as many people as possible learn how to fish, right? Teach you how to fish. Well, if you look here, that took out Asian low, and it came all the way down here and didn't take this out. Why? You got to tell the story of the current situation. So when we were down in that area and it didn't take it out, we could have actually, hold on. We could have been on the lower time frame looking at it. Even the 1. This is where you get into the 1 and we're expecting it to break. I mean, we broke right there. So that could have been like an entry right here on the 1. Decent sized stop. Because it wasn't, I mean, it just wasn't the best. That's all there's to it. But ends up, looks like I think it worked out. Yeah. That'd have been a nice trade. Now, you know, a nice 1-to-1, whatever. A nice pick up the money under the couch, between the couch cushions kind of thing. Had a terrible week so far, down 280, looking to turn things around and finish the week. Let's go. Let's get it, Michael Pilkington, sorry. Let's see, did you get in, Bobby? Yes, sorry. No, I didn't. All right, so hoping this breaks right here. Okay, recap. Hoping this breaks right here. And then we will look for an entry to the upside, and we'll just buy until we can't buy anymore. Now, with that said, it is pulling back, slowly building liquidity underneath. So you got to always pay attention to this, right? And then risk accordingly. What does that mean? You know, if this broke right here and pulled back, I would count that as a B setup, not an A setup. Like a B plus setup, that means risk less. That's what I do, right? So I'd risk like half what I normally would on an A plus. And you start learning that as you go. I don't expect you just to understand that right away or know how to identify that right away. That just comes with repetition and time. By the way, Scalty, as you end up how do I get to that demo account for Forex? I was testing out this broker to see their commissions and all that. Well, to see how it feels, not commissions. We have 3K sorted. All right, so I'm looking at. I also want, while I'm waiting on this, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put an alert here and alert here. I just want to see what's happening. And I'm going to go over to Forex. I'm going to check out Forex right here. Just while I'm waiting. And as you know, we got out of USD CAD over here on the bot. We ended up killing it because the way the bot works is collecting profits, collecting profits, collecting profits. It finally flipped around. That was on the 29th. We put that call out. So let me go ahead. I'm going to look to see if I could see something else while I'm waiting on futures to pan out, right? Let me get rid of some of this stuff. But it all works the same. All works the same. So we've taken yesterday's lows out, Lennon's low. I mean, essentially it should go up. This would be a nice buy right now. Let me see here. Take sessions off, actually. Hoping we can get 1 or 2 scalps in the hour. Yesterday we had a 100% win rate. That was pretty awesome. 2 for 2. What's up, Tana? How are you? Worked out bottom. 5 minute. Broke structure. Pullback. Block. This is how easy it actually is, guys, right here. You're looking for like a IG trade to post. Here's a 5 point or 5 pip stop trade right here. It'll probably go to 1 to 4. Right there. So we lost 300 times 3 on PAs again today, but I also made. So I don't understand. How are you losing 300 when you risk 2,500? Oh my gosh, that's amazing. The food has came down. Get my jalapeno green sauce going, you know what I'm saying? What's up, Timothy? Carla Lugo. Where's your daughter, Carla? She doing that real life stuff called work? I really think this GBP USD will be a nice, easy trade for some of you guys. Five pips. Let's go. I missed them 5 pips. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited to continue the B setups, get more frequent trades in. Gotcha. Has she been trading on prop firms yet? I think she passed one, if I'm not mistaken. Second. All right. So if you trade Forex, I think this could be a good trade for you. If you want to be a little safer, you could put it under this block right here. That's not an hour block. Sorry. This is a 5 minute buy block. It's nice, simple trading, guys. You don't have to be too analytical all the time. You could just get in the trade, you know. You could even get in right now. Not telling you to, just saying. You know what I'm saying? It's still only a 9.8 stop. It'd be like a 1 to 1.74 if you just got in. Needed a little bit more sleep last night for sure. I'm a little tired today. But yesterday we had a good run. Nice little, what I started doing, if you're back, it weren't here yesterday, I set up a separate count for B setups only with smaller risk so that we can see the win rate on those, and then we can compare later. I don't know how I'm going to do this. This was like the combination of all. Maybe I'll just start splitting them. I'm just going to start splitting them. This is the previous, and then we'll just do like a separate count. But yeah, the day before we lost 2. Essentially, they should have been break evens, and then 1-1. Mine was break even. I only lost on those days that we lost 2. I only lost $1,500 on 750,000 funded. So. So Timothy, that's what I've been doing, man. Like sometimes in these kind of markets, that's why I did the whole buy till broke, sell till smoke. We're still trying to come up with a good name for that, but like I want that to be the motto. I'll even make a shirt on it. That's how important it is. Because those days that it just keeps going up and keeps going up. We're trying to catch the top, right? Trying to get that sell off, but it just keeps going up. So those days, you just got to expect to be wrong a couple times to get the right. So that's why when it's, buy till broke, in other words, buy until you can't buy anymore, sell till you can't sell anymore. Whenever your days like that, just risk less on those trades. And then when you finally get a 5-minute structure break the opposite direction, then you can risk more if you'd like, Mm-hmm. Everyone wants this candle right here. We're all expecting that to happen every time. We're like, oh, let's go. It's that rush, So what time were you trading? Was that right here? Was that right here? Because if you look back, if we were to play by those rules, you did have a structure break here. You know what? Since nothing's happening right now, let me just kind of go over what I mean by that. How about that? What if I just? I mean, I know it's going up, but there's times where it didn't. Let's start here. Or let's just mitigation scalp some testing, right? So we have a block here. Essentially, if it goes up, there it is. Pulls back, there. Essentially, could have got in right. Like in that area, stop. Let's just, for the sake of this, we'll do 1-to-1s because I don't feel like going crazy. All right. So, or whatever. So we'll just take what we could have got. How about that? So now here we're in a situation where this became a 5-minute block. So what do you do in this situation? Okay, this became a 5-minute block that broke. And it even closed solid below it. So now we'd be looking for sells, essentially, using what we teach here. So this is where you can get caught up. It's okay to lose a couple times, okay? Right? Oh, and that actually worked. It actually worked. Okay, never mind. So if you were to do that, that could have been up to a 1-to-2 there, right? Now we're waiting. So here's where maybe we get caught up. These are like half risk type situations. So we might have gotten in right there. We might have gotten in right here and lost, right? So this is the prior one. Here's a short that we'd have lost. Let me just mark it up, right? So yeah, I probably would have got in that and went for these lows and probably put, well, actually, to be fair, I would have put my stop probably right here because, me, I like to use 2 behind a lot. So let's see if that still loses. Oh, probably break even right here. We'll call that a B, break even. Okay, break even, whatever. I don't know how to mark that. Maybe just leave it like that, whatever. We'll put a B. I have an alert on, guys, so like I'm not missing anything. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right, what's happening? Did we get a high? Okay, here we go. You're getting my point, right? So it's a little chop. This is how I trade the chop. You know, that's how I could determine the chop and the trend. Can we get a strong close, please? Not play games. I'm gonna do it anyways, I think. So here's what's happening. This is the first area right here that I'd be looking to buy off of. And it's kind of risky because we do have this liquidity down here. And we don't have, but since these are B setups, whatever, right? And we don't have like proof that it's going to continue up yet because it didn't solid close. It didn't do a strong solid close. So let's just look here. Let's maybe grab the last two. That. Yeah. So if it comes down to that area, I'm going to take a stab at it. It's nice, easy trades, but half risk. See how I'm only risking like, actually, I got to mark it up. Limit. Boom. Buy right here. All right, so I'd be risking in this situation max, because I can only do max 10 on this. So it'd be 25 or $415 in that little risk. Normally I'd risk like 1,000 to 1,500, you know? By the way, Tana, did you answer me? Let me see. No, you didn't. Tana said, good, except I lost 300 times 3 on PAs again today, but I also made 300 on one of them. So why are you only making 300 and why are you only losing 300? Seems like you get out early or something. You got to figure that out. Been averaging 2K a day. Just this morning was one of those mornings I had to fight for my life. For the 1,000 profit I made. I'll be back on in no time. Oh, you're good, bro. You're good. I'm hoping for some more coffee real quick. What's up, Bethany? How you doing? Freaking tired today, guys. I'm sorry. I was up till 5:20 a.m. Coach Bethany already milked her cows and everything. And fed her goats and got the chickens out. I don't even know what you do at a farm. Yeah. I wake up during my my members only. I wake up. We get good music. Usually the coffee kicks in by then. Yeah, I don't usually stay up that late. Usually like 3, 4 o'clock. Nice, Corey. All right, got the food in me. So let's force a trade, shall we? Let's force something. That's the proper way to do things. No, these are B setups, so whatever, right? So we broke this little low. If it comes down here, I'm going to go for it. Come on. Little farther, little farther. Awesome. Thank you, man. Enjoy that Bullinox. Come on down. Come on. All right, here's the thing. If it comes up here, I'm getting in. Let me show you the other entry. If it comes up here, I'm going to get in. And we'll make the stop. I'm hoping it comes down to our area. All right, let me get out of that. All right, I'm getting in right now. Just a little bit early. Little B setups, guys. Little B setups. Not trying to break records here. Don't get all like, oh, it wasn't a 1 to 7. You know you want to talk like that. Don't even need to look at it. Come on. Let's get a nice little push. So 1 to 1 would be right here. Let's look left. I mean, there's not really any issues. I mean, you have this little fair value gap that it could play off of. That could be where we take some profits or all profits, maybe. Like, let's say it goes to here, that'd be a 1 to 1.31. 1.31, yeah. Let's get the rocket out. This is the most unenergetic win I've ever had, I think, in my whole stream. That's how beat up I am. My apologies. Sorry I'm not entertaining today. I'm kind of like just defeated. Give me a little bit more coffee, a couple more cups, I'll be good to go. Let's push. Maybe some music. Let me try this classical. No, classical might really put me to sleep. That's good for a change. We haven't had that for a while. Killing it on the Funda, guys. Over on my Take Profit Traders over here. Whose heart's racing right now? There's really no reason to even think about getting out until it reaches up here. Although it's been very wiki. Like goes up and goes, yep, nope, not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. That's how it talks, how it sounds. We're at a 1 to 1-ish right now. I really want 50% of that fair value, fair value gap. By the way, if I slap on Bethany's, let's see what it says. I'm on the higher time frame, so let me take off this. About to see what it sees that I don't see. Hold on. Oh, it's taking that whole fair value gap there. Oh, that was a 1 minute fair value gap that I had on there. So if I would turn that to 1 minute, boom, there it is. Oh, you're gonna wick again, you idiot. You're gonna freaking wick. Left these little fair value gaps down here. Come on, push. Good morning, bud. I was with you this morning. Last, Joseph says, "Hi, God bless you." Thank you, brother. Good to see you, Joseph and Joe. God bless you guys too, man. This is looking like it might play a little bit of games, huh? Let's see. A fair value gap down there. I was just thinking it would really hit that. Coffee. Oh, it's nasty. Kind of want to get out, but it's probably going to dump. Maybe not all the way, but I don't like how it wicked here. Just wicked it. But we have that fair value gap up there, so I'm going to hold. So Bethany sells it. If you look on the side, it's a whole program. So she does live trainings and everything with it. I'll give you the link for it if you guys want it. Let's see. I swear if we lose that after hitting a 1-to-1. I don't think we will, but I mean, it's possible because we only wicked the top, so. Here, I'll tell you what, I'm not going to lose money. I'm going to put this to break even. Like right under here, which is a break even for me. It's just a small L, which isn't an L. It's a 10% or lower. You know my rules. On paper, it looks like an L. Oh, and overall, it's why I win so much. So if it tags me out, it's just a break even. Let me get you that, Paul. It's really good. She goes live. How many times you go live, Bethany, if you're on? Per week for future stacking. Yeah, M&Q, bro. Like, dude, it was going great. It's got this beautiful fair value gap up here. It's like a tease. It's becoming bait now. You know? This is for the whole program, guys. Right here. This is for the whole program. You don't have to buy it. You were just asking about it. Tuesday and Thursday, always. Beautiful. That's for this future stacking indicator. But she goes live. Let me show you. It's kind of cool while we're waiting. We put alerts here. Add alert. Add alert. Pretty much everyone ends up buying it eventually. I'm just telling you. But if you look in here, share this tab. Future stacking. And then she's got some training in here. But most importantly, you go into here. She has... By the way, Bethany, I just realized this. Is there any way you can take the... This is my bad. You can take them out of this one and put it in the other calendar, future stacking, because the product's over here. Is there any way you can do that for me? It's but yeah, she does, as you can see. Let's see, future stacking 7:30 a.m. over here. She does. And do you have all the prior recordings, Bethany? Did they get all the prior recordings? They're gonna play us, aren't they? Building liquidity to the upside. They're probably gonna go bleep. And if they do, guess what? I'll be riding it back up. So if they wick me out, they mine this, and then they break structure back up, I'll give it another shot. So we'll get a break even. Unless we get a rocket right now. I mean, we're running out of room right here, so it's got to happen. Look at this. Either rocket happens now or it doesn't. Rocket, go! I got my second bucket of coffee. That's not safe for you, Bob. That's gonna run your thyroid. I get it. Stupid. All right, let's see. She's a whisperer of charts. Yeah, she's pretty amazing. They're in the Coach Bethany folders. I'd love to have you make a future stacking folder inside Solomon and institutional so they aren't mixed in. Yeah. Well, I can give you access, Bethany. Look at this, guys. I give you access to add anything you want in there if you don't have it. So message me about that if you don't mind. Who's that talking to me? Oh, my bad. Thank you. Let me do a quick video on this. Oh, guys, this is good. We're in good. This is really good right now. Who's all profiting on this trade, guys? Let's go. Who's all profiting? I'm going to get out at this fair value gap up here. Grab some profits off the table. We got this rocket going. We got the rocket out, guys. We got the rocket out. I just grabbed profit, guys, and I ended up doing about 5,500 on my take profit traders. I ended up, wow, this is beautiful. I ended up getting another 400 on this alpha. Awesome. So we have Michael Pilkington, 850. Carla's profiting. I need to learn to hold longer. I get you. See, I know it's easy to say when you see something like that, right? But you know what? You took money out of the market, right? I hope. There we go. Well, now we got people saying they profited right when I turn off the video. If you guys want to tell me if you profited or not, that'd be awesome. It helps me out a little bit. A little bit of a push. A little bit of a push for me. But look at that. It went right up to the fair value gap. And guess what? It's coming down to this fair value gap. You know, buy it till it doesn't buy anymore. And by the way, guys, we're at 100% win rate on the Bs. I don't know why I said it like that. Sorry. Yeah. 3 wins, 0 losses, 1 break even. 100% win rate for the Bs. Easy 1-to-1. Yeah, you know. Might as well grab it. Might as well grab the money off the floor. Here we go. Here's the next trade, guys. One of these times we're going to lose. That's just the way it works. Next trade right here. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Put it below this still. 15 points. Push up. I think it's going to keep going, but we'll see. Comes down into that zone right here. $260, $310. Beautiful. 1.35% on FX. Hey, joined in late, so missed that trade. Unfortunately, congrats to all who profited. Up $700 on the day, though. Let's get it. 1K. $250 here. Let's go. Yeah, I was doing a video really quick. And Brian, you just now told me you're prof, whatever, dude. All right, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. If this pushes back up above this fair value gap, I'm in. Okay, without breaking this low. We're gonna go for another B. One of these times we're gonna lose, and we're gonna take out this liquidity, and that's gonna be okay because we know where we're going. $13. What's with you in $13? Yeah. I'm waking up now. I got the coffee in me. We won a trade. We're about to potentially win another trade if this pops up right here. It's getting kind of messy, isn't it? Dang it. Is there a way to only show a certain amount of fair value gaps, the latest? Oh, yeah, there you go. I'm Bethany, and I thought ahead. Just kidding. Let's reload. Slingshot engage. Let's get it, buddy. Let's get it. I'm waiting to see some more momentum above this fair value gap. By the way, I need to take these on the FX. Okay, here we go. I want to load up my C Trader. Bro, I don't even know how to get the C Trader. Just go ctrader.com. And then, apparently. You give me the world's hardest freaking password, dude. I'm scared for my security. Just kidding. Kind of. All right, I'm in there. Now what? Start trading. Oh my gosh, you made me log into the wrong one, bro. My cat is trying to attack my screen right now. We're about to go up. We're about to do it again, fam. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting about something. All right, I'm gonna go for it. Oops, yeah, bye. And again, in like Flynn, in there like swimwear. All up in there. Uh-oh, I just realized there's like a retest thing. I didn't like that, actually, as soon as I saw it. As soon as I had that little trend line Eru. See. Actually, we're still kind of above it. We might be okay. I thought that kind of closed above that, but it wicked it. Yeah, I do 4x still. That's such a bummer. I thought that closed above that. My bad, guys. So that's why these are B setups, and that's why we risk less, right? That's just human error. I guess I am human. Come on, I really wanted to keep that good win ratio. Darn it. But it is B setup win ratio. I expect that to end up being like 65, 70%. So if this comes back up, I'm going to get out at break even. I actually don't think it will. I don't think it's going to be easy to get back up. Boy, it's looking. How can I just clear this out? Let me clear this out. Here we go. I want that. Yeah, it's a bummer, dude. I literally thought that closed above that. Yeah. So we don't want this to happen. We don't want the rocket to go down. Well, we want the sub to go down like this. We don't want to go down. We We need the rockets to go up. Dude, if that cat scratches me, oh my gosh. You see this? What the crap? What are you doing, bro? You're gonna run my leather. Hey. Hey. Make me do animal beast on this freaking... Can't do that. Don't you grab me. Don't you grab me, dude. I'll be screaming like a girl on the freaking live. Jeez. Come on, let's win this, guys. Come on. All right, this music's like depressing me now. Seriously. Goodbye. Goodbye. If Aiden was on, he can give me a new playlist, but no. Cat scratch fever, dude. I hate getting scratched, bro. There was also one called Smart Trader for. All right, let me. Oh, there's too many things I got to do at once. This is stupid. Ah. I get the Sea Trader working. This is not good. It might rock it up. It could rock it. If we get above this little X, it might be like bloop. Yeah, right now it's buy till broke, sell till smoke, but we need a better one. So we're working on it together as a team. Then I'm gonna get some hoodies. I'm gonna wear that sucker. I'm gonna get some shirts, different shirts of things that I say, and only to remind myself of my rules. Like, why not wear your rules on your shirt, but make it cool? Guys, this goes under 100. I may get out right now. Feel like a rocket could be right now. Had my opportunity right there. That was it. But I felt that pushing. I wanted that to push so bad that I failed myself. Maybe. The Bobism apparel lineup. If everybody can get the Bobisms together for me, and we could have some fun with that. That'd be sick. Because I don't even know what you guys are talking about. That's just how I talk. I don't know. You should see me like in real life. It just never stops, actually. Until I got my wife, actually. I just entertained her 24/7. Everybody's always so serious, you know? Oh. Sorry about doing that in the camera, in the mic, actually. And we got one more here. Okay. Yeah. Should have grabbed it. Should have grabbed it. Ooh, maybe. Ooh. Let's pull out a rocket just in case. Pull out a rocket. Everybody start blowing. Blow up. Doesn't look great, but I'm just saying. We get it back above this, we might be okay. If you say you got stopped out, I don't know what to tell you because you've seen where my stop is right here. Push the button. Pull a ripcord. right here. My bad. That's the entry. Now, rocket. Now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where's the volume? Let me get the volume. Oh, that's not good. Oh no! You could have DCA'd right in this area too. Sensing a rocket, maybe. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Now. Massive liftoff. If I'm right, if I'm right, let's say if it gets to here by 2:05, here's the deal that you're making with me, right? By 2:05, join SolomonTrading.com. Okay, and then we can go on the 2 p.m. session. There we go. That's the deal that we made. We're shaking on it right now. Congratulations. I'm biting myself in the ankle. I could probably try to make that actually happen. We're going live, like I said, at 2 p.m. 2:05 p.m. to roughly 3:50, 4 o'clock every day, right? We've just been killing it for like 7-8 weeks straight. It's nuts. Come on, don't drop from there. No! And also, if it goes down here, just kidding. Biting myself in the foot. Hey, Bethany, you're not supposed to say that out loud. Because now when you're wrong, you're just going to look dumb when this rocket hits. And then we're going to have to go back into me teaching you again. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I ain't disrespectful like that. That was all with all respect. Well, okay, he didn't. He didn't. I could tell, dude. I know you're not. That's what. And I also know that you have thick skin, and I'm just messing with you. You're hoping it would liquidate this, and it still might. But this is the prime spot for a rocket. So it may not rocket, but man, I really hope it does, because I really want to get some more members into SolomonTrading.com. Apparently, she doesn't want new members. Bethany just doesn't want. She's anti our business. Oh, Lord, Bob, here's a shovel to help with that hole you're digging. She knows I'm doing it respectfully. All right, so I guess we'll say that's the trend line. I'm not a trend line breaker. This isn't Tory Trades, okay? Doing so much stuff right now on the right at the same time. Hoping for this rocket to hit. No. Don't go down. Don't be so obvious on this trend line. Come on. You tried so hard to get here. Don't do it again. You're running. No, don't do it. Don't make Bethany right. That's stupid. Why would you want to do that to us, chart? Don't make Bethany right. Yeah, we're kidding. We're kidding. Bethany versus Bob. Who's got 5 on this? Remember, 2:05. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. If this comes here by 2:05, we're going live on 2:05. I'm getting the Zoom link ready. You're either on there or you're not. I mean, you might want to just jump on there anyways, but I'm just telling you, it's coming up here. Within 5 minutes, it will be here. Okay? Bethany. You're gonna, man, you suck it up, Robert. Hashtag Bethany is right. He straight did hashtag Bethany's right. Uh-oh. Bethany's heart just dropped a little bit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here comes that rocket. Well, if we all want to win, you just jump in at the same time. That's it. And all our demo money combined. Let me see here. All right, guys, not looking good. She's not right. She could be right still, for sure. I really want to see it break this right here. Trend lines mean absolutely nothing. We're really up in a block right now. I'm going to tell you, to be honest, I'm terrified. I'm terrified right now. I think it's gonna... It can go any way. It can go any direction. We ride that rocket. Gotta get some Bob Lee up in here. Some Bob Lee. Uh-oh. It's not working. Why don't you just do a massive giant candle down? What are you gonna do? Let me get the Zoom link ready, guys. We're going members only in 3 minutes. Hopefully we just don't lose. We won the first one. You did have multiple opportunities to get out of break even. That's your own fault. No, it's your fault, Bob. You're the one that said it. I'm just some dude that trades, guys. You do what you want. You're big boys and girls. Let's see here. Webinars. Schedule. Trade. Well, I guess maybe not by 2:05 then. Darn you. Playing with my emotions. Schedule. All right, Rocket Time. I want to play Rocket Man by Elton John at this current moment, but that's the only reason it's not going up. Sometimes when I do those voices, I hear like Bert and Ernie. It's really weird. Well, you know what? It could come down here. It could come to 80 like she wanted. That's fine, but just don't come to 77. You can come to 80. Then we could both be right-ish. All right. Oh, shoot. Ah, that's messed up. That's straight messed up, guys. All right, so all the free people on here, on the channel, hopefully you took a small loss there, like I said, on the bees. That's unfortunate. That's our first losing one there. But here will be my next move right here to take out this liquidity up here. So I think... And we still could hit this if it rockets right now. Just saying. Could still hit that 205, but I don't think so. Let me update the statistics real quick. 15 minutes. Oh, I had too much fun with you guys on this. So we have one loss. So it's 75% win rate. Just like that. Go from 100 to 75%. Oh my gosh. I'm doing so bad. Closes here, I'm getting in. For real. I think I lost 400 bucks there. You've been in Dubai since 11:50. Well, I wasn't trading yet, so... Dude. Your cat is like jumping up and clawing my legs. Aiden. I'm giving everybody the link right now in Solomon Trading Group. If you're not a part of SolomonTrading.com, Solomon Trading VIP, this is your time to jump on while you can. Let's see. Members only. Live trading now. Boom. Bro, this cat. This cat. Oh, we're going to get that rocket now. So we were the liquidity. Bethany gets to be right. Well, if you're so right, guys, go buy her future stacking. You know what I'm saying? Solomon Trading. I'm putting the link in, guys. I'll be jumping over there in a second here. Maybe I'll bring on my son or something. I will be getting in this trade, though. I was kind of hoping it would happen before I got off this YouTube. If this cat claws me one more time, Aiden, why is it doing that to me? Man, that rocket's about to pounce up, isn't it, guys? It saw us. It was like, let's get there. It's like, okay, now we can go up. Little do they know, we're about to make way more on the way up. They just didn't even know that, did they? Stupid. Liquidity there. All right, one more place to put it, and then I'm jumping off here, guys. Trading. Let's see. Boom. And post. There we go. And get ready for this buy. I'll do that one last thing, and then I'll leave you with that. So here's my stop. It's 23 points. And we have 15 more seconds to see it close above. I'm not in this until it closes above. Kid doesn't, does it? If we're in Japan, that cat would behave for sure. Who would have yakitori? Is that a dish? All right, we got 50 seconds. Should I wait? I'm gonna head over to the members only. So again, guys, if you're not a member yet, you can hit the QR code above the can't talk above there, or join at solomontrading.com for just $97 a month. They go live every day for 2 hours roughly. If this closes above here, I'm getting in with a 23-point stop, expecting it to at least take out these highs, which would get back pretty much that loss and then some. It's most likely going to come all the way up to this fair value gap right here, 1.6, and you'll get to watch me get in this trade right now. Actually, most likely, if it freaking closes right here, 10 seconds. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. See you on the other side. SolomonTrading.com. Still not there. All right. So as soon as that closes, I'm going. All right, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern. God bless. Take care. Back.